How y'all doing today? My name is Josh with Federal Brace, and today we're going to be talking about the Freedom Hidden Countertop Bracket. Let's get started. This is the Freedom Hidden Countertop Bracket. It's actually one of the most common brackets in the industry. One, because it's incredibly versatile, and also we have so many different options with this bracket. But let's go ahead and discuss the functionality and what use cases this bracket is used for. Federal Brace was one of the first to introduce this style of bracket to the industry. Before, back in the day, there were a bunch of gussets, and so you go to your local fab shop, you'd have them make a nail bracket, and then you have a gusset in the middle, and you have these welds on the outside of the bracket. We decided to come out with a bracket that didn't have that gusset. Essentially, what you do with this bracket is you place it on the back side of your cabinet, and it rests on the inside. You have a 1x4 or some sort of framing on the back side. It's great for European style cabinets and things of that nature, where you don't have a 2x4 that you can rest along the outside of your framing. And essentially what you would do is you would take that 1x4, put it on the back side of your cabinetry, router out the thickness of this bracket into the top of both the framing, the 1x4, and also the cabinetry. And then you would just rest this Freedom right over inside of that section in the cabinetry, so that it's flush with the rest of the cabinet. And you would put a bead of silicone over the top, take your countertop, and then just rest it over top. A couple of guidelines: you don't want any more than 4 inches of unsupported countertop from the end of the bracket to the end of the countertop, and also you want to space it out every 18 inches. We have a variety of options for this Freedom bracket. It comes in an 8x8, goes all the way up to 20x20. So, and also we have 3 different finishes or styles. That is just standard white. We also have a black powder, as you can see here. And then we also provide a bracket that's in raw steel. So if you have a certain color or aesthetic that you want to paint your bracket, you can just purchase this raw steel bracket. We have a great resource for how to paint your raw bracket or your Freedom bracket. Go ahead and click this link over my left shoulder to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Federal Brace. For more product information and made in the United States innovation, go ahead and visit us at federalbrace.com, and we'll see you next time.